I got a package, I got a package, I got a package, hey, 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 hey. Hi guys, and welcome back to my nail journal. So I have a new phone, which means new camera quality, I hope. And I have new lighting, which hopefully it looks okay. And I made a new background, so hopefully that looks okay too. Oh my god, I forgot this camera had a wide lens. So now it's not so zoomed in. Anyway, I got a package from JudeNailsIt. You guys know I'm a stay-at-home mom, but I do help out my grandma's flower shop like once or twice a year during holidays, like Valentine's or Mother's Day. I only got to work one day, but I pretty much decided to spend my whole amount on JudeNailsIt. Oh my god, I got the fat pin. You guys, I don't know if this is a new scent, but when I was on her shop, like I really wanted some more cuticle oil from her. And I saw this one, which is vanilla orange. So yeah, I don't remember if this was like a new scent, but when I was looking at cuticle oils, I saw vanilla orange and I was like, oh, I want to try that. So, and I got the fat pen, which is what, I think 5 milliliters, I believe. And 3 is like the skinnier one, but I love the fat pen so much, you guys. Ooh. Ooh. It's like warm. A warm scent, if that makes any sense. Let me get it out. There we go. Yeah, I really love the smell of that. Ooh, we got dip powders. So this is really cute, you guys, but she gives out the ingredients and instructions with her cuticle oil. So let's open up this package and see what all we got going on. And you guys, I got more foils because I've been obsessed with foils lately. And Judy has really pretty foils. Oh my god, she gave me pink opal. Oh my god. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna fucking cry because I ordered, let me make sure I'm getting this right. I ordered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, well, 5 powders and then one of the foils. And Judy messaged me and said that she did include a couple freebies in my order. But the reason why I'm about to cry is because the one that she included, like I know this one she included, maybe that one too, I have to look. Yeah, I think these two. And then she gave me her Marty mix of foils. But one of the ones she sent me for free is pink opal, and it's one of her powders that I've been wanting for so long. I just hadn't had a chance to get. Oh my god, Judy, thank you. And if you guys haven't noticed, she changed her labels. She's still working on like all the labels, but sorry, didn't want to focus, but she did change her labels. Let me get out. Here's her original labels, and here's the new ones. And I think it fits so well with her packaging and her branding because, as we know, like, all her stuff is blue, even like the bag that she sends them in. So I really love the new labels. Look, and you guys, every time you order, she does send like extra confetti glitter, and I'm so happy that she sent me the little 4-leaf clovers. Look how cute for St. Patty's Day. I'm so excited. Okay, so let's look at everything that I know I ordered, and then we'll look at what she decided to send me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, this is what I ordered. Judy, oh my god, thank you so much. You did not have to send me so much stuff. Stop. Okay, so Coral Fire. You guys, peach and corals are like my new favorite colors now, especially with summer trying to come up eventually. But I cannot wait to swatch this. Holy shit, look at that. Oh my god. How stunning is that? Oh, I cannot wait to swatch that. I want to just, oof. Okay, and then I got Winter Jubilee, which I've been wanting these since she first got them out. Look at that. I freaking love it. It looks like cotton candy sprinkles. And Winter Jubilee goes with Winterberry, I believe. Yep. Oh my god, look at the Oh my god, it's so pretty. Hold on. Holy crap, look how pretty that is. Wow, that's stunning. Okay, and then I got these three to go together. Because even though you guys know purple's not my favorite color, you can't see anything. Purple's not my favorite color. So you guys know that purple's not my favorite color, but when I saw these lavenders, and like the Periwinkle, I just had to get it. So this is Periwinkle. And this is the shimmer for it. Ooh, look how pretty that is since my phone's not focusing for some reason. Look how pretty that shimmer is. That is like a bluish purple. Okay. And then we have Iced Periwinkle, which is the Periwinkle purple. Ooh, it has some shimmer to it. I didn't know that. And then, so to go with these three colors, I went ahead and got her lavender foil flakes. Look at that. I thought that would be so cute on top of those. So Jude sent me Pink Opal, which I already opened, but I can't wait to swatch it. And now I know why she sent me Bellinis on the Beach to go with Coral Fire. Oh my god, I just realized that. Look. To go with Coral Fire. Coral Fire. I'm so excited I can't even talk. Thank you! Oh my god, it's gonna be so cute. And then she sent me her Mardi mixed flakes that she made to go with her Mardi Gras colors. But look at that. Oh my god, they're flying everywhere. I love it. Look. So pretty. Okay, you guys, I feel like this video is not gonna be that good because I can't figure out my setting. It's like new camera, new lighting, new everything, and it's just like aggravating the shit out of me. So anyway, let's get on to the swatches, shall we? First one we're going to do is Iced Periwinkle. As always, you guys, her powders are so smooth. So next one, let's look at Periwinkle since it goes with that Iced Periwinkle. This is like a blue with purple shimmer in it. Now Winter Jubilee. I don't even think it's necessary to have to pour this out into a cupcake liner because the glitters are not that huge. I think I could have dipped right into the jar and been fine. Too late now though. Now we're going to do Winterberry because this one goes with the Jubilee one. I can't get over those pretty ass colors. Coral Fire. Oh, this is so pretty. Giving me all the summer vibes. Now Bellinis on the Beach because I really think she sent this to me to go with Coral Fire. Coral Fire, why am I having such a tongue-tied issue? Oh yeah, that goes perfectly with Coral Fire. Look at the shimmer in that. That's gorgeous. Now Pink Opal. Okay, so I'm going to finish swatching them off camera and I'm going to bring you guys back to have a look at them up close with top coat on and everything. Okay, you guys are going to hear my toddler in the background. So now let's recap with everything swatched. There's Iced Periwinkle. There's Periwinkle. Winter Jubilee. Winterberry. Seriously, such stunning glitter in this color. Here is Bellini's on the Beach. It's kind of hard to tell, but it does have gold shimmer in it.
Yeah.
Coral Fire, which is Coral Fire, which is one of my favorites. This is stunning. And then Pink Opal.